In today's video, I'll show you how to boost and speed up your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Now, I have prepared a list of things that you can do to boost your Windows 11 PC. So at first, just go ahead and run disk cleanup. So just go to search for disk cleanup. Open up disk cleanup from the best match. Then just select your system drive. For me, it's local disk C. So I'll select C and click on OK. After that, it will scan and come here and show you all your temporary files. You need to click on clean up system files. After that, select your system drive again and click on OK. After that, it will scan for more unnecessary files and bring back you with this screen. Select everything from here, take everything from here, and click on OK. Click on delete files. Then just give it some time. It's gonna delete all the unnecessary files for you. You can keep this running in the background and it will be finished once it's done. Then just go to the second step, which is disable startup apps. So for this, what you have to do is just right click on taskbar and go to task manager. Expand this, then click on open navigation here. Then go to startup apps. From here, you're gonna see one of them enabled. If you don't need them on startup, just right click on them and click on disable. Do this for all the apps that you don't require on startup. Then just close this. Then just go back to the list and go here, view advanced settings and fix your settings to best performance. So go to search and search for view advanced system settings. Open this up. From the computer name, go to the advanced tab. Then just go to performance, which has visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Just click on settings. Then from the visual effects, just select adjust for best performance and click on apply, click on OK. Click on OK again. And for the next step, you can go to your Windows security. So just go to your Windows security, open it from the best match. Then just go to virus and threat protection. From here, you can go to scan options and either run a full scan or run a Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. For now, I'll run a quick scan for demonstration purposes, but you go for this or this. Always go for the full scan. Okay, so then just click on scan now and just give it some time. It's gonna scan your entire system and try to find viruses or security threats for you. And after it finds those, you can fix those yourself. Let it run for a while and it will happen. You can keep it in the background as well and go to the last step, which is delete malicious softwares. For this, just right click on the start, go to run and type MRT and click on OK. Click on yes if it asks for any administrator permissions. After that, this will open up. This is basically Microsoft Windows malicious software remover tool. Click on next. Click on the scan type. Make sure to select full scan. For demonstration purposes, I'll select quick scan for now. Click on next. After that, just give it some time. Just like any other scan, it's gonna scan the entire system and try to find files that are infected. And in the meanwhile, our Windows security search result has been finished. As you can see, it has found some threats. You can just go ahead and click on them, give it permission, and take actions based on that. You can either remove them or restore them. Do whatever you want. If you feel like it's a legit software, restore them. If you feel like it's a virus, just click on remove. And after that, in the MRT tool or the malicious software removal tool, it's gonna find you the malicious affected file. As you can see, for me, no malicious software is detected. I can click on view detailed result. As you can see, everything is not affected. If yours is affected, you can fix it from here as well. Then just click on OK, click on finish. Then just go ahead and restart your computer. And basically, that is how to boost and speed up your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.